guys, I am so behind in uploading this video, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because I really love these Etsy stickers that I printed out and posted for my first Classic Plan With Me of 2019. If you guys are new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would click that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell so that you will be the first to know whenever a new video is posted to this channel. And if you like this video, at the end, please give it a thumbs up. I am so happy to be able to show you my first printable of the year. I printed these from the ATArtDigital over on Etsy, and this has been a learning experience for me. So let me show you this. So this is the first one that I printed out, which was a bonus. She had a sale on her Etsy channel, to which I was excited about, and this is super duper uber cute. Now, I am a newbie to the printable stickers, and if you saw my Instagram feed, you noticed that I did not set it up to where I can actually get these cut out on my Cricut. So it made me a cutout of the whole square, and so I have to individually cut the stickers out. And I wasn't going to waste the ink or the paper, not at all. But by the time I got to the second one, I figured it out, and this is one of the other pages. And there's another page, but I did not print that out. So it was like 3 of them that were on her website that were on sale for like $2 or less. And then I am going to use the rainbow sticker books to accompany some of these for what I have left. Looks like I used a lot of them, but there's a couple of things on here that I could actually use. And I get to use my transformer planner that you guys saw in this video that I have listed up above. And I am going to use my everyday catch-all portion, which is my squiggles girl. That's some squiggle girl. And I am turning it over. I did not fill out my currently page as of yet. I'm actually going to do that tomorrow. And then this is the monthly for my beauty. And then we have our first week of December. Let me take these off. That might be a whole lot more helpful. All right, so I pulled this sticker off because I like it, but it doesn't match up with my days on here. So let's put this one back. And I'll grab another sticker. So the stickers that I'm actually using are the Cricut stickers, which are kind of like a cover stock. They have a cover stock feel, kind of like a cardstock. Or this actually could be a cardstock. So they're kind of hard. And then that also means that they are a bit raised. They are a bit raised on here. So just to make you aware. I'm going to be fast forwarding portions of the video because I'm not really talking about anything through the video, and then as needed I'll just pop in. Alright, so I'm going to let you in on a little secret. So what I didn't realize from the get-go was that these stickers were originally printed out for the Erin Condren planner, which this is not. This is a happy planner. And even still, that's okay. Perfect, 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 perfect. I love this. I love this right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the cutting. So I may not include you guys in on the cut. While I do this, I'll cut these flowers too. And I'll be back. Alright, and I'm back. I cut these out as best as I could. Now to try to separate them from the backing. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Definitely wintertime. This takes a lot of time, so I am definitely gonna learn how to do this correctly. If I ain't had these nails, I would not have a problem. There we go. Perfect. 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 Girlfriend going places in the cold. Dude, like, I am not about to let this cold stop me. We're gonna put on a heavy coat and a hat and keep it moving. Don't let me know down below if you guys do printables. What kind of sticker paper do you use? This one was kind of thick, so I wasn't crazy about the thickness of the I did find some Staples brand sticker paper that wasn't as thick, but I had already purchased this and opened it, so I felt like I was obligated to use it, sort of, kind of, in a roundabout way. So yeah, well, yeah, give me your suggestions on what kind of paper that you guys use. I know like some people sent me messages about the online labels, and I'm definitely going to try them out. Now I'm cutting out this one. As I'm cutting it out, I noticed that this is a little cat in here. And you'll know I'm not a cat person, but I guess because it is in this picture, the cat will make the cut this time. At this moment, I wish I was the type of person that like wasted stuff, because I really would have tossed these and restarted them. Then I had some smaller stickers. That I want to try to use while I'm in the cutting frame mind of cutting these out. Because I have a feeling if I don't do these now, then I won't do them and they really will get wasted. And I don't want to waste these because I really like them. I'm sure y'all understand. I put that money bags there for payday, and then this is a shopping cart because I need to go shopping on Saturday.
Perfect, perfect, perfect,
All right, guys, I think for right now, this may be it. I did the best I could with what I have. I love the colors. And I think had I did a print and cut the right way, the correct way, this would look so much better. And if I used like sticker paper that did not raise up, like that is really noticeable. Sticker paper that didn't raise up from the paper, that would also be a whole lot better. So that is my week 1 of the new year. And this is my classic. And if you missed week 1 of the mini, you can catch it at the link up above. or at the end of this video. This is my before the pen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you will be the first to know the next time that I post a video. Until next time. Don't forget to follow Zariah's Creation on all social media.